Wagwan peeps, Ricardo Campbell, HostingRealtors.com is the website. Realtor here in Jamaica, Trelawney. We have a home for sale in Stonebrook Manor. I'm going to show it to you right now. This home, I'll show it to you right now. This home is for sale. It's across the street in Stonebrook Manor. And she's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Looking to get at least a few $100,000 US. We'll negotiate for you. So give us a call. My Jamaican number is 876-376-1027. You can also WhatsApp that number. And my US number, I'm a broker in Florida. It's 786-206-1544. We're looking for returning residents coming back home. I could sell your house in Florida and also find you a house in Jamaica, not just Trelawney, the whole of Jamaica, without you coming back and forth. I will be your agent in places. Give us a call. Ricardo Campbell, HostingRealtors.com, 876-376-1027, or you could WhatsApp, or my Florida brokerage, which is LandQuest Realty, and that number is 786-206-1544. Over 35 years in business, we're here to serve all your needs. Thank you.